Welcome to Saxon Math Course 3, Lesson 100, Surface of Areas of Pyramids and Cones. So for today's lesson, we're going to have two formulas. The first one is the formulas for our pyramids, which will give us our lateral area and our surface area. To find the lateral area of a pyramid, it is 1/2 times the perimeter of the pyramid times slant height. Now, the reason for this is in a pyramid, every side is formed by a triangle with a height of the slant height and a base that is part of the outside of the triangle, part of the perimeter. Every triangle added up will give us the lateral area, so our base will just be our perimeter. So this is the formula for the area of a triangle, 1/2 times base times height, for all of those triangles that go around the pyramid. The surface area is just going to be the area of the base plus the lateral area. So once we find the lateral area, finding the surface area is going to be really easy. For a cone, we have a very similar formula. This time it's 1/2 of circumference times slant height. Remember that circumference is just the perimeter of a circle. If we wanted to find that in a slightly easier way, it would be pi times the radius times slant height. That's because circumference is 2 times pi times the radius. 1/2 of 2 is 1, so it's just pi times the radius. So let's jump straight into example 1. Example 1 says to find the lateral area of a right pyramid with a slant height of 10 centimeters and a regular hexagonal base with sides 5 centimeters long. Well, a hexagonal base means that there are 6 sides in our base. So we need to find the perimeter first, and perimeter is going to be the number of sides times the length that each side is. So we're going to have 5 times 6 times the slant height, which the problem gave as 10. Now, 5 times 6 is 30, and 30 times 10 is 300. So we're going to say that 1/2 of 300 is 150. Now, our units were centimeters, and it's an area, so it's centimeters squared. That was example 1. Moving on to example 2, we are asked to find the lateral area, then the total surface area of this cone here, with a diameter of 10, a height of 12, and a slant height of 13. We don't actually need the 12. The 12 is just extra information that it gave us. Now, to find the lateral area, we're going to use the formula r times pi times the slant height. The radius of a circle with diameter 10 is 5. The slant height is 13. So we're going to have 5 times 13 times pi. Now 5 times 13 is 65, or 65 pi. To find the surface area, we're going to use the area of the base, or pi r squared, plus the lateral area we found before, which was 65 pi. So our radius we said was 5, so we're going to have 5 squared pi, which is 25 pi, plus 65 pi. Now 20 and 60 make 80, and 5 and 5 make 10, so this is 90 pi. And that'll be our surface area. Now today's lesson was a little bit quick, not a lot of examples, and the steps are pretty straightforward. Make sure that you commit these formulas to memory, write them down in your notebooks, make flashcards of them. Practice the formulas for the surface area and lateral area of cones and pyramids. This is going to come up a lot in our coming lessons homework, so please pay attention. All right, have a wonderful day. Make sure you do your homework. Stay safe, stay inside, and wash your hands.